This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 5, Divide Greater Numbers. This is just like the division we've been doing the last few days. We just have a bigger number in the dividend. So let's take a look. We're going to take a 2-digit number and divide into a bigger number that has 4 digits or 5 digits sometimes. So let's take a look at this one here. We have 21,312 divided by 36. There is not enough room here, so I'm going to write this problem on another page. 21,312 divided by 36. All right. I'm going to ask myself, does 36 go into 2? It does not. 36 is much larger than 2. Will 36 go into 21? No, it will not. Will 36 go into 213? Yes, it will go into 213. So I'm going to ask myself, how many times will 36 go into 213? I'm going to see how many times 3 will go into 21. Well, 3 will go into 21 7 times. So I'm going to try 36 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. And 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 is 25. Okay, I got 252. Oh, whoops. 252 is larger than 213, so that won't work. So I'm going to try 36 times. The 7 didn't work, so I'm going to try 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 3 more is 21. 216, oh, I'm still too high. So I'm going to try 36 multiplied by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 more is 18. All right, so I'll write 5 up here in the quotient. And then I'll write 180. Now I'm going to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. I can't do 1 minus 8, so I'm going to borrow. 11 minus 8 is 3. Okay, I can see 33 is smaller than 36. If it was larger than 36, I would know that I'd made an error and I needed to try it again. Okay, let's move on. Let's bring down the 1. How many times will 36 go into 331? Well, I'm going to use this 3 again. And how many times will 3 go into 33? Well, it'll go in 11 times, but 11 has 2 digits. So I'm going to take 36 times 9, since that is, it's a number, it's a 1-digit number that's as close as 11 as I can get, basically. 6 times 9 is 54. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 5 more is 32. Okay, I have 324, so I'll write that down. Oh, good. It's smaller than 331, but it's also close to 331. I multiplied by 9, so I'll write 9 up here. 9 times 36 is 324. Now I'm ready to subtract. I can't do 1 minus 4, so I'm going to borrow. 11 minus 4 is 7. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, now I'll bring down the 2. Okay, I have 72. 36 goes into 72 how many times? Well, I'm going to do this again and ask myself, how many times does 3 go into 7? 3 will go into 7 2 times, so I'll do 36 multiplied by 2. 6 times 2 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Oh, it's 72. So I multiplied by 2. I'll write 72 down here and then subtract. 72 minus 72 is 0, and I don't have any more numbers to bring down, so this is the answer. So I'll write the answer here, 592, but if you have an extra page like this, I would like you to turn it in with your homework so that I can see the work that you've done. All right, so you'll continue just like that. Here's another problem. 76,912 divided by 92. You'll want to write that on a piece of paper and in a division box. Okay, and number 3, the same. Let's take a look on the back. Number 4 says, given the area of a rectangle is 14,628 square millimeters and the width is 12 millimeters, find the length. All right, so in order to find the length, we know that area equals length times width. Well, here we have the area and we have the width. But we're going to have to divide in order to find this number. So you'll go ahead and write 14,628 and divide by 12 and work that problem out. Okay, number 5, turtles and tortoises have long lifespans. A tortoise can live for 54,750 days. How many years can a tortoise live? Okay, it says a hint. 1 year is 365 days. So it looks like we've got to take 54,750 and divide by 365. This is not a 5th grade skill. If you would like to try it, you can. You would go, how many times does 365 go into 547? But if you choose not to do it, that's fine. Okay, number 6, the new baseball stadium holds 64,506 people. There are 26 gates where people enter the ballpark. The same number of people entered each gate. How many people entered the first gate? Find the unknown number in the equation. 64,506 divided by 26 equals P. P for people. You will need to write it in a division box. And number 7. Joshua works for a computer company at an annual salary of $38,480. He receives 12 equal paychecks during the year. How much does he receive in each paycheck? You will need to divide, so you'll write 38,480 divided by 26. Thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.